Hello friends, today I am starting a new topic of physiology, blood group and blood transfusion. So let's start blood group and blood transfusion. Blood is a classification of blood based on the presence and the absence of the antibodies and the inherent antigen substance on the surface of RBCs. These antigen may be the protein, carbohydrate, glycoproteins or the glycolipids depending on the blood group system. There are four main blood groups type of blood, that is AB or O. Your blood group is determined by the genes you inherit from your parents. Each group can be either RHD positive or RHD negative, which means in total there are 8 blood groups. The different blood group system is there. Firstly, we discussed about the ABO blood group system. The classification of the human blood based on the inherent properties of RBCs is determined by the presence of or absence of the antigen A and B, which is carried on the surface of the red cells. Person may thus have type A, type B, type O or type AB blood. Blood containing red cells with the type A antigen on their surface has its serum antibodies against the type B cells. If in transfusion, type B blood is injected into the person with the type A blood, the red cells in the injected blood will be destroyed by the antibodies in the recipient's blood. In the same way, type A red cells will be destroyed by A antibodies in type B blood. Type O blood can be injected into the person with the type A, B or O blood group unless there is incompatibility with respect to the some other blood group system also present. Person with the type AB blood can receive any blood, that is a type A, B or O blood. So the blood group O person is a universal donor and the AB is a universal receptor. Now the most important person, the Carl Landsteiner discovered the ABO blood group system in 1901. Adreno Sterling and the Alfred von de Castillo, who were working under the Landsteiner, discovered by type AB a year later in 1902. And Landsteiner was awarded in 1930 Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine for his work. The Jansky is credited with the first classification of blood into the four type A, B, AB or O in 1907, which remains in use today. Reuben Ottenberg successfully transfused blood between the two people at Mount Sinai Hospital in New York. He was the first person to record the pre-transfusion testing for the blood compatibility in the clinical setting. Later in 1954, he was the first to be awarded with the Carl Landsteiner Award. There is a picture of Carl Landsteiner. Landsteiner's rule for the ABO blood group. A person does not have antibody to his own antigens. Each person has antibody to the antigen he lacks only in the ABO system. Means antibody होगी but antigens उसमें नहीं होगा. Below are the four blood groups and the antigens and the expected naturally occurring antibodies present. ये antibodies naturally occur होती हैं. And the antibody of the donor and the antigen of the recipient are ignored mostly. डोनर के और रेसिपेंट्स के एंटीबॉडी डोनर का एंड एंटीजन रेसिपेंट का इग्नोर होता है. बट दस द आरबीसी ऑफ द ओ ग्रुप हैज़ नो एंटीजन, सो द एगुलेटेशन डज नॉट अकर विद एनी अदर ग्रुप ऑफ ब्लड. सो ओ ग्रुप ब्लड can be given to any blood group person and the person with the blood group are called universal donor. Plasma of AB group blood has no antibody. This does not cause the agglutination of RBCs from any other group of blood. People with the AB group can receive blood from any blood group person. So people with this blood group are called the universal recipients. AB is a universal recipients and the O blood group person is a universal donor. We can see here the antigen is present on the surface of RBCs, you can see the antigen A is present. In the second block, antigen B is present on the surface of RBCs, and the presence of antigen A plus B both are present in third number structure, and the fourth column, neither A or B, both are not present. Antibodies in plasma. So if the antigen A is present, the opposite antibody B is present. Antigen B is present, so antibody A is present. Antigen A and B both are present, so the antibody is not present in the plasma. And neither A or nor B antigen is present, so antibody in plasma is both antibodies are present, A or B. And the blood type. Type A cannot have B or AB blood group, can have A or O blood. Type B cannot have A or AB blood, can have B or O blood. Type AB can have any type of blood, is the universal recipients. And the type O can only have O blood, is the universal donor. Principle of blood grouping. Blood grouping is done on the basis of the agglutination. Agglutination means the collection of the separate particles like RBCs into the clumps or masses. And the agglutination occurs in an antigen is mixed with its corresponding antibody, which is called the isoagglutinin. That is occur when a antigen is mixed with anti-A or with B antigen is mixed with antibody B. Almost all normal healthy individuals above the 3 to 6 months of age have the naturally occurring antibodies to the ABO antigen that they lack. These antibodies form term naturally occurring because they were thought to arise without antigenic stimulation. Now, why it is important? Blood grouping is important. In the practical importance of the blood group is blood transfusion for treatment. If the any treatment पर्सन का हो रहा है तो उसको ब्लड ट्रांसफ्यूजन होता है, तो ब्लड ग्रुप का डिटर्मिनेशन मस्ट है. इन द पैटर्निटी डिस्प्यूट्स, इन द मेडिको लीगल यूज, एजेस स्टेन ऑन क्लोथ्स, एसोसिएशन विद द सस्पेक्टेबिलिटी टू डिसीज. एग्जाम्पल, इंडिविजुअल विथ blood group O are the most susceptible to the peptic ulcer, while the group A is the carcinoma of stomach. Is mismatched transfusion and the transfusion reactions occur between the donor's RBCs and the recipient's plasma. So if the donor's plasma contains the agglutinins against the recipient's RBCs, agglutination does not occur because these antibodies are diluted in the recipient's blood. The blood compatibility, the blood group O person can donate blood to blood group A, AB or B, and blood group A person can give the blood AB, or blood group B person donate the blood to AB. Rhesus blood group system, the Rh factor. The Rh blood group system is one of the most polymorphic and the immunogenic system known in humans. It is a most complex system with over the 45 antigens, and it is discovered in 1940 after work on the rhesus monkey. Rh genes located on the short arm of the chromosome 1. An Rh blood group, the Rh factor is present, so the person is Rh positive. If the Rh factor is absent, the person is Rh negative. And the next term, the blood transfusion. Blood transfusion is a transfusion of the whole blood or its component, such as a blood cell, plasma, from one person to another person. And the blood transfusion involves two procedures, that is the collection of the blood from the donor and the administration of the blood to the recipients. ब्लड ट्रांसफ्यूज़न में हम उसका कोई भी कंपोनेंट भी ट्रांसफ्यूज कर सकते हैं, लाइक द WBCs, RBCs, प्लेटलेट्स, प्लाज्मा. And the condition when the blood transfusion is necessary. In the following condition, the blood transfusion is necessary when the person is anemia, hemorrhage, trauma, burns, surgery. So many reasons कि blood transfusion is necessary. And when the blood transfusing, the some precaution should be taken. The first one is donor should be healthy. जो भी डोनर है उसको हेल्दी होना है. द कंपेटिबिलिटी टेस्ट शुड बी डन. ये टेस्ट करवाना चाहिए. द डायरेक्ट क्रॉस मैचिंग श्योर सेफ गार्ड अगेंस्ट द ट्रांसफ्यूजन कॉम्प्लिकेशन. डायरेक्ट क्रॉस मैचिंग करवाना ही चाहिए. मैच द सीरम ऑफ द रेसिपिएंट डायरेक्टली अगेंस्ट द सेल ऑफ डोनर. ट्रांसफ्यूजन रेट इज इन एडल्ट 100 to 200 ml per hour. If the transfusion is too rapid, it is very dangerous. So friends, thanks for watching this video. If you like, please subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you.